Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of Kildeer birds. Known for their distinctive calls and unique behaviors, these shorebirds have many captivating traits. Let's dive into 50 amazing facts about Kildeer birds. 1. Scientific name Charadrius vociferus. 2. Common name Kildeer. 3. Family Charadriidae. 4. Order Charadriiformes. 5. Size adults measure between 23 to 28 centimeters in length. 6. Wingspan approximately 59 to 63 centimeters. 7. Weight between 72 to 121 grams. 8. Habitat commonly found in grass lawns, fields, golf courses, and parking lots. 9. Diet primarily insects, but also small invertebrates. 10. Lifespan up to 10 to 11 years. 11. Appearance tawny brown feathers with white underparts and to black breast bands. 12. Eyes large, bright, and round with a red eye ring. 13. Feet thin and flesh-colored, sometimes yellow. 14. Bill short, thin, and sharp at the tip. 15. Migration partial migrants, with some populations migrating and others staying put. 16. Nesting lay eggs in shallow depressions on the ground. 17. Eggs typically for eggs per clutch. 18. Nesting materials often use pebbles and other small objects. 19. Distraction display perform a broken wing act to lure predators away from nests. 20. Predators include foxes, raccoons, and domestic pets. 21. Behavior known for their chattering call, which gives them the nickname chattering plover. 22. Flight slender wings with white stripes visible in flight. 23. Swimming proficient swimmers, even in swift-flowing water. 24. Scrape ceremony mating ritual where males and females create a shallow depression. 25. Breeding monogamous, often reusing the same nesting site. 26. Conservation status protected under the American Migratory Bird Treaty Act. 27. Distribution found across North America, Central America, and parts of South America. 28. Subspecies 3 recognized subspecies with varying plumage. 29. Adaptation well adapted to human disturbed areas. 30. Behavior often seen running across the ground in spurts. 31. Flight call for carrying, excited call often given in flight. 32. Nesting sites sometimes nest on gravel rooftops, which can be dangerous. 33. Chicks can swim across small streams. 34. Behavior fluff up and run at large hoofed animals to protect nests. 35. Lifespan record oldest recorded Kildeer was over 10 years old.
36. Behavior perform distraction displays to protect nests from predators. 37. Behavior use a variety of displays to protect nests from different threats. 38. Behavior can be found foraging on lawns and fields. 39. Behavior often seen circling overhead when calling. 40. Behavior can resemble an American kestrel in flight. 41. Behavior adults lure chicks off dangerous nesting sites. 42. Behavior performs scrape ceremonies to establish nesting sites. 43. Behavior add materials to nests after laying eggs. 44. Behavior can be found on dry land and edges of freshwater ponds. 45. Behavior often seen running with a jolt to check for prey. 46. Behavior can be found in uplands far from water. 47. Behavior perform distraction displays to protect nests from predators. 48. Behavior can be found on short-mown fields and parking lots. 49. Behavior performs scrape ceremonies to establish nesting sites. 50. Behavior can be found circling overhead when calling. Thanks for joining us on this birding adventure. Kildeer birds are truly fascinating with their distinctive behaviors and adaptability. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders. See you next time.